Do that again, Tag.
Yeah, you gotta stay in the center.
I know, I was gonna get that boat!
Hey! The water's warm! Woo-hoo! Hey! It's not too bad! Give me my boat back! Got more water on me than the boat!
Now.
You do it 2 in a row or what?
I was just trying to drain my boat. Might not want that tablet on.
Maybe.
Want some help with your boat?
Did I lose my tablet?
Looks like he's doing good.
Always does good.
It lives in your anchor.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, your boat took a wee.
Burr.
Bird. Stay.
There's one sexy country boy.
I can't even get my shirt off.
Woohoo!
Leave me alone.
Yep.
Yes, please.